Welcome to the Forestias, one of the most beautiful and unique projects you will ever see anywhere. With over a mind-blowing 64 hectares of green space, it's really like a forest city. Developed by the ever-innovating MQDC, one of the biggest developers in Thailand, known for their quality standards and love for creating sustainable living spaces. Within the natural environment of the Forestias, hiding through the trees and flowers, there will be a community of meticulously selected range of residences, unique in their own way, to suit every possible lifestyle. Today, I'm here to bring you around their sales pavilion, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Whizdom the Forestias brings you 3 residential towers, Destinia, Mytopia, and Petopia, which are around 40 to 50 floors tall. They all bring you the finest modern design, surrounded by the calmness and beauty of a natural forest. The unit type include 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom loft, 2 bedroom, duplex, and penthouse. The special thing is that the system of aircon here, they use central air conditioning system, which allow you to maximize your balcony space and not experience hot air generated from the unit on the balcony. Every room will receive cool air from the cool air ducts. Even if the power outage, residents can still use the air conditioner for the next 8 hours. Now we are at the 1 bedroom size, approximately 40 square meters. Each room reflects a focus on space and features at a 2.8 meter high ceiling that allows the natural light into every corner of the room. The room comes with fully fitted, which include enclosed balcony, shoe cabinet, washer cabinet. And here is the bathroom, which connecting to the bedroom. A wardrobe also included as a part of the room. You can enjoy the view from the bedroom. As you can see here, the living area connected to the balcony, so you can enjoy and relax the view from the balcony as well. Now I will show you the 2 bedroom size, about 58 square meters. Let's follow me. The unit comes with 2 bedrooms with a gorgeous view of the garden. The 2 bedroom provide the space of living area and the dining table with wide windows that you can see the view very clear. The generous living room and dining area ensure that comfortable for everyone in the family. You can see that there is the 2nd bedroom on the other side with the bathroom. On the other hand, this one is a master bedroom with inside bathroom. The room will come with fully fitted, include the bathroom, the shoe cabinet, the wardrobe, and aircon system. This unit is a loft unit. The size is approximately 55 square meters. The loft provides just only exclusive at Mytopia Tower with total just 80 units. The layout is unique by providing the living area on the lower floor and the bedroom on the upper floor. The design provides the definition of a stylish loft with a ceiling height over 5 meters. And now we are at the duplex 3-bedroom 104 square meters. The duplex will suit a larger family with fully 2-floor, providing a ceiling as tall as 6 meters with high window, offering spectacular views. Under the stair, the handy hidden storage helps keep your unit tidy and is a place for washing machine. The unit will come with fully fitted, includes an enclosed kitchen, powder room, shoe cabinet, and the main entrance on the lower floor. The master bedroom also on this floor. With a spacious living room, you can set a dining table maximum 6 seats while enjoy the green view. On the upper floor of the duplex, there are another 2 bedrooms for children that they can share the bathroom together, and another entrance on this floor with a spacious corridor.
Right now, we are at the Mulberry Grove. The Mulberry Grove project will provide upland residents uniquely tailored for multi-generation living, for happy family bonds, and the perfect bridging generations. A vegan to the south of the color of the forest, we have 6 low-rise buildings, ultra-luxury condominiums, connect Mulberry Grove residents with the forest surrounded by the nature in their living, growing community. Wake up to the green views, balconies, open to the verdant panorama, allowing bird songs and natural light to fill each apartment. Choose from 1, 2, or 3 bedroom spacious, modern residences inspired by Thai architecture that feel tailored to your lifestyle. Each is a scene and personal retreat within a warm community. Fitting its intergeneration concept, Mulberry Grove has a rich array of the facility for every age, spread around the clubhouse at the central Bloomberry building and the forest area between and around the buildings. The facility includes co-working space, gym, green zone, kids area, and yoga zone, and a lot more. Like with all MQDC projects, Mulberry Grove will also come with a 30 years warranty. Right now, we're gonna start with a 1 bedroom, 63 square meter. So you can see our entrance, we have the vertical wooden strip like this, and we provide a digital door lock since the first entrance. This provide for let the ventilation flow into the unit. When you come into the unit, you're gonna see we have the porch area, and the actual side that would be the outdoor view. So for the porch area, you can just put the big plant right like this, the shoe cabinet, and we have the storage space over here And also for the washing machine, you can just keep it here. It's very easy. We have a lot of storage for you. Then, when you come to the room, you can see the space is very bright and clear because the floor to ceiling is 3.1 meters. And we have the shell that built-in provide like this. You can see we have the air conditioner above. This air conditioner for the Mulberry project, we provide 3-in-1 function. We transfer the oxygen from outside to go inside and transfer carbon dioxide go outside. Also, we control humidity, we control temperature, and could be the air purifier. Then, come over here, you're going to see we have the closed kitchen. That all appliances, we use the Bertazzoni series from Italy. And all material is very premium. This is the food grade. You can just put the food here, no any effect to the health. Also, we have the space for the ingredients. And this is the built-in refrigerator. All things provided like this. Come over here, you're going to see we have the living area linked to the dining area. And we provide the big balcony because we believe that our residents would enjoy to stay at the balcony, sip the tea. So if you think like you have the sunlight effect to your eye, you just like move the aluminum strip like this. It's movable. And also we have the cooling radiant wall at the balcony to a little bit decrease the temperature here. So you just enjoy the view outside with the cooling atmosphere here. And also for the Mulberry Grove, our master bedroom gonna have the door that could link to the balcony like this. This is the master bedroom that we provide the space and also the shell that could link to the air conditioner. And also, we have the cute walk-in closet. Our walk-in closet is very big that you could keep the luggage. And come over here, the space is gonna link to the bathroom. It's 60 bath, but if you want more privacy, you just put the curtain here. And all material we provide the mosaic, the marble to make it luxury, like you stay in the hotel. As you can see, we have double security because we provide a digital door lock here. It's 5 functions. Okay, right now we are at 2-bedroom, 99 square meter. We are at the posh area because it's our concept. And also you can see we have the space for your activities, so it's kind of multifunction purpose area. Come inside, you're gonna feel like the room looks like a home because we design all spaces that want the residents feel like you stay at home amid the nature. So we have the powder room, and you can see we have the wider area. You're gonna get the living room linked to the dining room, and mood and tone of the room is bright and clear. The material that we use is marble, and you can feeling like it's come from the nature. When I open the door, you can see we have the big space of the balcony as usual. And the Mulberry Grove condominium is one of the projects that the resident would feel like you stay closer to the nature. The actual site is going to be the whole forest of the Forestias. You can just enjoy the view, the bird song in the morning. Let me give you the virtual tour to the interiors. Right now, we are at 3-bedroom corner. The square meter is 151. Once you come here, you're gonna see we have the porch area. It's our porch area provide about the space for example, washing machine, or you can just like park the bicycle here, or if you need to have a big plant, you just put it here. And you can see we have the big jacuzzi bathtub. This located at the master bathroom. But if you want more privacy, you can just close it. Come to the main entrance of the room. We provide the storage and the powder room. Also, we provide a closed kitchen for the big family. You can see all appliances provided. Then, come over here. We provide the big space for the corner living room. We have the big balcony, and we use triple layer glass. It protects the noise and the heat. Also, because we are low-rise building, we provide the insect screen. It's very easy to use. You just put the switch. It's electric one. For the actual size, it's going to be the whole panorama view of the forest. We believe that our residents would love to enjoy and sip the tea over here. So that's why we provide the wall, the cooling radiant wall over here to make the temperature a little bit decrease at the balcony. And this is our master bedroom. Every bedroom gonna face to the view like this. Also, we provide the big walk-in closet that could link to the master bathroom. All material from the Mega room we provide like this. That come over here, you're gonna see we have linked to the space of our jacuzzi bathtub, which is you can enjoy the view on the back at our porch area. To give you a better idea about the Forestias and its project, there will be an exclusive exhibition during the weekend on 29 until 30th July at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Tsim Sha Tsui, Hong Kong. Please be sure to secure your place to learn more about this unique project. Register now to get an exclusive deal from the developer. The link will be in the description box. I'll see you soon. ขอบคุณค่ะ